Okay, let's say for some reason you need to reverse the status of an order once it has been shipped. So you navigate to your orders, go to the shopping cart, hit view all, and go down and mark shipped. So you're going to see the jobs that are shipped. Or if you've already got the number of the job, you could just simply type it in the search bar and grab that order number specifically. Either way, the idea is to navigate to the order page and click on order information and change the status. So say we hit in progress, hit save changes. Now if I don't have proper permissions, this is a setting to where you have to have permission to be able to do this. The reason being is because if you don't have a high level of permission, then you shouldn't be able to do it, because there's things to take into consideration. For example, if the job's already been paid for, it's already been invoiced and put into your accounting software, so on and so forth. So it's really important to limit the amount of people who are able to take it from shipped back into in progress or back to prior statuses for some of those kinds of considerations.